creation. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you a simple fix. You can see here my battery is in yellow color. That means my battery of iPhone is in low mode. That means low power mode. So this is iPhone 14. If it happened to your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max or any other version, you can follow this tutorial. So how you can fix this one? No matter what you do, recharge your phone, full charge, or even reset your phone, that stays the same place. So very simple fix in this case. You see here the setting, it's the setting option. In the setting you have to go down and find battery. Here we go. Okay, in battery you have to hit battery option. Here you see is activated low power mode of battery. So what you have to do, you see here, disable that one. When you disable, you see your battery become black or white or whatever version, whatever color you want. Very easy tutorial. You have to deactivate this option. So low power mode is off, the iPhone comes to normal trend. It doesn't mean that your battery is damaged or something, it's just a procedure of iPhone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.